Have you ever repeated the same line of code again and again? That's a problem, because programmers don't like repetition. We automate it. This is where loops come in. Loops let you run code multiple times without rewriting it. Let's start simple. We use a for loop when we know how many times we want to repeat something. Example, for I in range 3, print I. This will print 0, 1, 2 automatically. Now here's the second type, while loop. We use it when we don't know how many times. We just repeat until a condition becomes false. Example, x equals 0 while x less than 3, print x, x plus equals 1. Same result, but different logic. Now think about this. What happens if we forget x plus equals 1? The loop never stops. That's called an infinite loop. And yes, it will crash your program. Loops are one of the most powerful tools in Python. They help you automate tasks and write real programs. In the next lesson, we'll build a mini project.